In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make the little holes right around the burner. So what you'll do first is, because it's in a round shape and at an angle, you're going to create another plane with this one. And you can choose one of your planes to create it of. Make sure your plane is just outside your drawing. You can see there it's outside your drawing. Then I've drawn on my plane on that line the 3 little holes. I made the radius is about 2 mils. Now I'm going to first have to cut through the material there to have 3 holes in the material, and then I can use the circular pattern to pattern it all around. So what I'll do first is I'll go to my you can click on the sketches there to highlight them, then you go there to your extrude cut, and then we're going to remove instead of adding material, and that looks good there. There's a preview that I've seen there on the site, so then I'll just give it the green tick. Now I've got 3 holes cut into the side, but I want the holes to be right around the surface there. So what I'll do now is I'll go to my circular pattern tool, and then I can use it again. See the extrude, when I hover over it, that extrude will highlight. So I'll highlight that. I'll go to my circular pattern tool, and it only gives me 4, so let's make 12. And then instead of part pattern here on the top, and that's really important, you have to choose feature pattern, and then we'll choose those again. You can just click on the extrude there, and then the axis of pattern, we don't have an axis, but you can just click, and that's on the bottom in that inside circle, and I'll just click on the axis of pattern, and then we'll choose that inside circle, and then you can see there's a preview. It's cutting all the way, but it's really important to make sure that you choose that inside circle there. And now I've got all my, and it needs to be shelled out first. Now I've got all my patterns there, and I looked at 12, maybe 24, because it looks a little bit fast spaced. So 24, and then I just have to choose the extrude again, and then I'll change it, and then that's a better view. So then I'll click on that, and then I'll give it a green tick, and now I've got my little burner with the little 3 holes in 24 right around the design. So a few things just to recap. If you want to do the extrude, you do the remove, and then if we want to do the circle pattern, you have to go to there. Instead of part pattern, you use feature pattern. That's quite important. And then the features to pattern can just be our extrude there, those 3 that we started off with, and the axis of the pattern is just that bottom bit there. Okay, that's all that I wanted to show you guys now. It always starts with 4, so it will highlight the 4 that I had at the start. Okay, so that's creating all the little holes in the circular pattern. So if I hover over that, it will give me that. That's all for this video. Please watch it and try that. Come up with your own design for a burner. You can be quite creative with this part.